Hello, this video is episode 3 in our How to Build a Jubilee for Lab Automation series, and today we'll be covering part preparation. Before getting started, you'll need to gather the parts and tools listed on your screen. Here is an exploded view and assembled views of the inside corner brackets we are assembling first. Please note that if your brackets came pre-bundled with screws, make sure they are either cone or cup point style so that they will form a secure ground connection with the frame. Having an easy access small parts container or tray is suggested rather than returning to the shipment bag each time you need a screw. You'll also want a place to put assembled brackets for use in later steps. And make sure to confirm that you have the correct hex key before beginning assembly. To start, place a M4 set screw onto the M4 hex key. Pick up an inside corner bracket with your other hand. Insert the screw into the bracket and rotate the key clockwise. Repeat with a second set screw to finish your first inside corner bracket unit. Note, screws should not stick out past the bottom when installed. Just 55 more to go and you'll be ready for the next step. Now we'll move on to the 3D parts that will have heat set inserts. We'll be showing you installation via the plate press technique. Note that the part ID should be embedded directly onto these parts. Also, ensure that each part was printed with 6 perimeter layers, otherwise inserts will melt through the walls and fall out. Begin by heating up the soldering iron. We recommend a heat set insert tip, but this is not required. With the insert pre-placed over the hole, touch the iron to the insert. Let the weight of the iron gently push the insert into the hole. This process should take about 10 to 15 seconds. When the insert is about 90% inserted, remove the iron and quickly either flip the part upside down onto a heat-resistant surface or push any flat metal surface, such as a razor blade or wrench, onto the insert and push it completely down. Wait about 5 seconds for the insert to cool in this position. Your insert should now be installed at the proper height and angle. The insert should be flush with the surface they are installed into. This same process is followed for the rest of the 3D printed parts that need heat set inserts. Note the different orientations of the inserts on each of the different parts. Once again, this process consists of placing the insert onto the part, touching the tip of the soldering iron to the insert, thus heating it up, using the soldering iron's weight to gently slide the insert in about 90% of the way. Then using the plate press technique to set the insert flush against the part. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos in the How to Build a Jubilee for Lab Automation series. They were produced by Machine Agency, a lab in the Human-Centered Design and Engineering Department at the University of Washington. The music was room service by Construction. All rights are released under a CC by SA 4.0 license. Learn more about the Jubilee project at jubilee3d.com. The next video in this series covers outer frame assembly. Thanks again.